The temperature module soldering kit from iSolder store on Amazon. Opening the package and surveying the parts. This looks like a microprocessor. It's the STC89C51 along with the socket. A USB power cord, a bag of parts, and a PCB. Looks straightforward enough. It has good instructions and a parts list, but no schematic. We checked that all the parts are here. .2K and 10K resistors. We also sort out the parts neatly as we compare them to the parts list. .30 PF ceramic capacitors and 9012 transistors. Momentary push switches, LEDs, a crystal, a buzzer, a locking push switch, a resistor array, and a power jack. It looks like we have all the parts. Next we will time-lapse the assembly. .2K resistors. .10K resistors. The IC socket. .10 microfarad electrolytic capacitor and 230 picofarad ceramic capacitors. One LED. The crystal. Five 9012 transistors. 4 momentary push switches. The locking push switch. It seems to have an orientation, but we don't think it matters. The power jack. The buzzer. The resistor array for the LED display. Install the IC. The temperature sensor, DRSET8B20. The LED display. Back to normal speed now. Looks like we've missed a pin on the LED display. That's better. Thanks for watching. Could have used a way to calibrate the temperature.